Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not set up Apple Pay error in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to set up your Apple Pay, you might see the error that your Apple Pay could not be set up. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection because sometimes it might help you to a weak network. Just try to connect with a different, stable and strongest network connection. Then go to your settings here. Go to general, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. And once you have disconnected your VPN, just go back and go to date and time section and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Once you have done, you can try to reset your network settings. Just go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then tap on Reset Network Settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be an issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this app, so you will not get the issue again. So once you have done, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also try to go to your settings, go to General, go to Software Update. Just try to update your software, then try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just simply press and release your volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so there's a single way you just have to try to contact with Apple support team. But before you do that, you can try to check if your Apple Pay is working well over your server. Just open your browser and simply search for Apple System Status. Open the first website from here, and you just have to check if Apple Pay is working well. Just tap on this plus option here and just look for Apple Pay, and you just have to make sure that Apple Pay is available. If you might see that it's unavailable or there's anything else, so it might be a server issue. You just have to try to wait for almost 1 hour or 2 hours. Sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover. So you would just have to wait for that. Once you might see there's a available option, you just have to retry and your issue will be fixed. Or you can also try to contact with Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can also use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select More option, look for Apple Wallet here, and just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Callers. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.